Question number 10. The electric current in a wire is 4 milliampere. I is given. How many electrons pass a wire in the wire in a time of 10 hours? Has been asked. Okay. So therefore, what do we have? Ne divided by T is equal to I. Right. So he is asking you how many electrons. It means N you need to find. So it's so easy. N should be equal to IT divided by E. So what is this? I is 4 milliamps. 4 into 10 power minus 3 multiplied by time. What is time? Time is 10 hours multiplied by per hour. How many seconds? 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 90. Right. So which should now be equal to 4. Let me use my calculator. It's more faster over here. 4 into 36 divided by 1.6. Do this. I get the answer 90. 90 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2. I did only 36. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. And here 10 power of plus 90. So this should be 9 into 10 to the power of 20 electrons, which passes through this. Very huge amount. 9 into 10 power 20. C is right.